Picture this, a creature so stunning, so biologically blessed, that time just forgets about them. No wrinkles, no sagging, no midlife crisis. Just centuries of pure, unapologetic youth. While we humans are over here panic Googling best anti-aging creams, there are animals living for hundreds of years, looking as fresh as the day they were born. Today, we're slipping into nature's most exclusive VIP lounge to meet the species that basically said to Father Time, "Not today, Daddy." 1. Hydras, the tiny water nymphs of immortality. You know what's sexier than six-pack abs? Never having to age, ever. Meet the hydra, not the Greek monster, but a tiny freshwater creature that scientists believe is biologically immortal. Hydras have cells that constantly renew themselves, like a skincare commercial that actually delivers. Their body plan is so ridiculously efficient, they don't really die of old age, they just keep on living unless something eats them. Imagine being 500 years old and still looking like your 20-year-old self. The hydra's entire life is one long hot girl summer. 2. Lobsters, the underwater sugar daddies. Let's talk lobsters. Not just delicious with butter, but actual anti-aging icons. Lobsters don't weaken with age. In fact, the older they get, the more fertile they become. It's like if George Clooney and Jennifer Lopez just kept getting hotter and hotter forever. Their secret? They keep producing an enzyme called telomerase, which repairs their DNA over and over, like a built-in cellular plastic surgeon. Downside? Eventually, they get so big, they can't shed their shells and, well, nature wins. But until then, they're basically eternal sea zaddies. Moondrum Greenland sharks, the slow-motion silver foxes. Now for the ultimate sugar daddy, the Greenland shark. These deep-sea giants live for at least 400 years. Some could be pushing 500. That means some of the sharks swimming today were alive before Shakespeare wrote his first play. They grow super slowly, only about 1 centimeter a year. They're like the slow-burn romance novel of the animal kingdom. They don't even hit sexual maturity until around 150 years old. Talk about playing hard to get. 4. The naked mole rat. Wrinkle chic. Let's not forget the naked mole rat, the underground rebel of biology. It's immune to cancer, barely ages, and can live for over 30 years, which is insane for a rodent. And yes, it looks like a pink, wrinkly sausage with teeth, but hey, some people are into that. Naked mole rats are proof that sexy isn't just about looks. It's about attitude and breaking the rules. They've hacked biology's system so hard, scientists are obsessed with figuring them out. 5. Turritopsis dohrnii, the Benjamin Button jellyfish. This jellyfish is the ultimate age-reversing diva. When stressed or injured, it can literally revert its cells back to an earlier stage of life and start over like hitting the cosmic undo button. We're talking real-life regeneration, no skincare product comes close. Scientists call it the immortal jellyfish. I call it the ultimate comeback queen. Imagine going from retirement straight back to your hot 20s on, repeat forever. Now, let's find out why they can, and we can't. So, why can these species pull it off, while humans are stuck with birthdays that feel like countdown clocks? It comes down to genetics, cell regeneration, and enzymes that protect DNA from breaking down. Humans actually have some of these mechanisms, but they're not cranked up to lobster or hydra levels. Evolution didn't design us for immortality. It designed us to reproduce, then slowly check out. Kind of rude, right? Immortality isn't just about living forever, it's about how you live. Lobsters seducing the sea for centuries, sharks gliding through the deep like ancient gods, hydras having an endless youth party. Maybe the real secret isn't finding the fountain of youth. Maybe it's living so well that time becomes irrelevant. So, tell me, if you could live for 500 years, would you? Or would you get bored? Drop your answer below and remember, stay curious, stay sexy, and stay just a little bit ageless.